Courtney. Can you tell us a little bit more about maybe what AMRs are in general and how you guys are using them, please?
Yeah, absolutely. AMR is an autonomous mobile robot. That definition actually can encompass quite a few things. There's a committee for ASTM for legged robots. And I'm not
Ooh.
sitting on that committee, but they had a meeting this morning and I was invited to sit in on it. And while I didn't actually join the meeting, I got to see the chat messages popping up, which is very interesting stuff going on in the legged robots community. The ones that I focus on have wheels. There's a product line. If you guys want to see them in action, it's a company called Robotnik. Literally, if you remember Sonic the Hedgehog, the orange mustache guy, Robotnik, the name of the company is Robotnik. Look them up. They've got really cool solutions for like indoor and outdoor. The ones that I've worked with so far are the one called the Theron, which is similar in size and shape to, say, a mirror. And I believe similar in payload. This is where I'm going to start to get into the weeds because I'm new to AMRs. But I believe the payloads are 250 kg on
Oh,
those
wow.
ones. And yeah, they can haul around quite a bit. The one that I've been playing with has a little elevator unit on it, so it can drive underneath a cart, and then the elevator will raise it up, say, an inch, so that it's off its wheels, and then you can drive it off wherever, or off its feet, and you can drive it to a new location. That one, I believe, is 150 kg, but if you have less than 150 kg worth of parts on a rack, then you can take the entire rack with you, which is a cool thing I've watched happen in warehouses and places where they're doing like small parts assembly. So if the tray of parts and everything on your rack is under 150 kg, you can literally just bring the whole parts tray over to a new table. The other thing that I've seen that I thought was cool is it has I think they're called mecanum wheels or Swedish wheels, but they're like the omnidirectional wheels where like you can see it like going diagonally all the way around, and it almost looks like it's hovering the way it can glide around. Those ones, they can turn like really tight radii, so the car can basically pivot around its own center and turn around. I had a demo, or we had a demo in our Automate booth this year where that Theron was in a little hallway that's just stupid tight for it. And it had maybe an inch on either side really to get itself turned around. And it just did that and went back and forth all day, never hit the wall, which I thought was pretty interesting. Another one called the Vogie, which is enormous. And I don't know its payload off the top of my head, but can hold a significant payload and also has a solution with a manipulator arm on it. So I haven't seen what actual deployments are using this right now, but my imagination goes crazy with it.